man up, spitting rhymes like a fire that won't go out. I'm on a mission, got a vision to share, bringing the heat, making the air electric. I'm not afraid to go against the grain. I'm here to show the world my kind of pain. From the streets to the booth, I'm the trust.
Good day everyone, and especially to our professor, Dr. Omar C. Gonzalez. In this video, I will discuss the application of UNCLOS to the maritime claim of the claimant to the South China Sea. The United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea is an international treaty that establishes a legal framework for all marine and maritime activities. Also, they define the maritime zone of country. The country or state have the right of where they want to place the baseline or coastline. And the territory zone of coastal state is 12 nautical miles from baseline. The coastline have the right to full control in territory zone. Also, the coastal state has exclusive right to the airspace and seabed. And the contiguous zone is 24 nautical miles from baseline. And the exclusive economic zone is 200 nautical miles from baseline. It is the measure of UNCLOS to the maritime plain of coastal state. And the continental shelf is 350 nautical miles from baseline. We have right to resources, and that is under of UNCLOS. The problem in claimants to the South China Sea is because China didn't follow the UNCLOS. In short, they are against of UNCLOS. Even they are party in UNCLOS, they still not following the rules of UNCLOS. Because China insists the 9-dash line. All within is their territory. But the 9-dash line are within exclusive economic zone of other countries, like in the Philippines, Malaysia, Brunei, Taiwan, and Vietnam. The 9-dash line of China is invalid. According to the UNCLOS, the claim of coastal state is 200 nautical miles from baseline and 350 nautical miles from baseline to exploit the resources. In the end, that China doesn't want to give up the 9-dash line, even it is against into the UNCLOS, because they want more resources so that their country can become even stronger. Even in short, they want to be top one strongest country in the world. Because of it, it will lead to World War number 3. Hope that it will not happen. So that's all. Thank you for watching.